So in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to find clients as a graphic designer. So for thumbnails, you go to YouTube and then you search like thumbnails that you don't like or you think you would do better. And I found one from Trade Rexler. I think his thumbnails don't look professional. I think he made it himself, like with Canva or stuff like that. Yeah, you will copy his mail, then you will paste it, and I have a text generated from ChatGPT. If you want this text, then just DM me, I will send it over to you. Yeah, you copy this and don't forget your IG so he can DM you and also see your portfolio. Yeah, then you can see all of thumbnails, I think, yeah, made with Canva. Yeah, you can redo all of his thumbnails if he wants to, and then that's a good start. You can definitely try out this technique for all YouTubers, like just email them and copy the same text every time, and then you, yeah, can generate some good clients and make the first one follow from